Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Today we want to make you a nice lovely smoothie for Tuesday morning breakfast, guys. It's gonna be mixed fruits and banana and also honey and some spinach. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. The reason why we're giving you different kind of drinks every different morning, because a lot of people want to be healthy, and a lot of people want to cut off smoking, and a lot of people want to cut off drinking. So if you can get up in the morning, make yourself a nice lovely drink in the morning to keep yourself healthy, this is where Chef Ricardo fill the gap for you. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. You get a copy of my cooking book on Amazon, and remember, you can donate to the cooking studio, which is coming up very soon. See you next time. Bye bye. Lovely. So first thing what we're gonna do, get our smoothie blender, 3 pieces of ice, roughly half handful of spinach. I'm using the baby spinach with a few more leaves in it. 1 fingers of ripe banana. Break it into pieces, put it straight inside of a smoothie blender. Get some mixed fruits. I'm using the frozen one. You can get this at local shop to buy. Straight inside of it like this. Choose a morning breakfast before you go to work. Give yourself a next extra 10 minutes early. Roughly half cups of water, some honey, we're gonna use roughly about 3 tablespoons. And blend this for roughly about 4 minutes. Nice and lovely. So now this is finished. And basically, set aside. Give it a shake. Pour straight outside like this. You can see the different color of this one. Choose a morning breakfast, guys. Beautiful and nice. So hopefully you like the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Please leave your comments, and thank you so much for watching the cooking show. We got a lot more recipe coming out like this. So mixed fruits, spinach and banana and honey goes really well. Thank you so much. Hopefully we'll see you next time. Bye bye.